Yo, what's going on, ladies and gentlemen? It is I, your host with the most, Bad Vibes Forever Collection, BVF Collection, bringing you a nice little unwrapping video, unboxing video, whatever you want to call it. Today we got ourselves the Bread Boro hoodie from the most recent Halloween drop. Ooh, spooky. On October 27th, this bad boy dropped, lasted quite some time, over an hour, without being sold out. So I purchased on Sunday, it arrived Friday, and here I am Tuesday after being sick and feeling much better to now open the bad boy. With all that said and done, let's go ahead and get into the unwrapping video. Here we go. Very quick, 5 days, very quick for shipping. Very happy with that. Now, my main reason for copying this bad boy was because I noticed that the actual logo itself was very narrow. Embroidered, narrow logo, I'm all for it. Boom. There it is. Let's go ahead and not leak my address. Let's go ahead and show you guys the receipt, though. There it is. Thrashed Boro Arc logo hoodie, black and red, XL. Let's see if we get any non-existing stickers. Oh, I wish they had stickers again. But yeah, here it is in all of her glory. I'm gonna go. Oh, nice. Okay, Brand's logo on the back and then this on the front. I like it. I like it. This is the part of the segment of the video where I'm gonna go back out there, take a photo of this dead stock, and then we'll be right back. Peace. Boom. A mere second has passed since I've been here. For me, minutes. For you, seconds. Anyways, let's go ahead and get into the opening. But before we do so, I do want to say the red is nice and like bloody red, like a nice dull or like a dark red, not like this bright, vibrant red. Because I have the Bread like French terry, embroidered hoodie, and it's a lot more vibrant than this. So I am excited to see the color red outside of its packaging, its prison. Let's go ahead and unstock it. The Boro hoodie. Now, French terry hoodies usually go for $148. This was only $138 retail. But wow. That looks sick. And it's like this new embroidery style where like the old French terries had like multiple waves of like embroidery here. Whereas now we got just the solid one and done all the way through, but like this cool little dotted outlining around each letter. And then you got the ripped holes everywhere. Each one is pretty much unique in that aspect, I guess. But enough yapping. Let's open her up. Well, this feels interesting. Wait, is that something in here? Oh, see, yeah, I did hear something. What the heck is that? But here we go, the Bread Boro hoodie. Look at that nice narrow arc logo. I like that a lot. Now, let's check out the tag. We got the new tags. Oh, I love that logo. That logo is sick. And we got a tag in here. Okay, so a different one now. Instead of the long QR code tag, we just have the simple. Well, something worth noting, I guess, is no more white anarchy logo. It's the black one. So it like matches the one over there. So it's interesting, made in Vietnam. It feels a lot lighter than the Bread embroidered hoodie that I have. So that's interesting. Even though French terry should be like a lot heavier. Look at these rips. I could probably rip that off right now if I wanted to. But yeah, nothing too crazy. Nothing on the back. Hood looks pretty steep. I like that. Can't wait to try this on after this video segment. I don't know why I'm saying segment a lot this time around, but I am. This looks like faded or something right around here. In person, it's not too noticeable, but you can see it pretty well in the video. Even right here. Yeah, right here is a lot. I was more or less talking about like this and this. But yeah, the Boro part, the zombie ripped up part, pretty cool. Wasn't a big fan of it at first, but now it's growing on me. It's growing on me a lot. That's pretty much it for this video, though. Thank you for watching this unboxing, unwrapping video, whatever you want to call it. This has been your boy, Btw I Collection, tuning out. Have a great day, everyone. Peace.